Licensing and permitting consultants versus regulatory lawyers. Which one is better for complex cross-border licensing? Most businesses expanding internationally assume that a standard legal team can handle all licensing and permitting requirements. A surprising truth is that cross-border projects are far more complex, and choosing the right support can save months of delays. Licensing and permitting consultants specialize in navigating local rules, procedures, and administrative requirements across jurisdictions. They handle submissions, track approvals, and ensure compliance with local authorities. For example, a pharmaceutical company seeking manufacturing permits in multiple countries relies on consultants to coordinate applications, gather technical documentation, and meet varying regulatory deadlines efficiently. Their expertise is operational and procedural. Regulatory lawyers, by contrast, focus on the legal framework underpinning permits and licenses. They interpret statutes, advise on compliance risks, and represent the company in disputes or enforcement actions. For instance, if an environmental agency challenges a permit application, regulatory counsel can argue legal exceptions, negotiate conditions, and protect the company's rights. Their strength lies in legal authority and strategic negotiation. The key difference is operational execution versus legal strategy. Consultants ensure applications succeed procedurally, while lawyers protect the company against legal risk. For complex cross-border licensing, businesses benefit from both. Consultants streamline and expedite the process, while lawyers ensure compliance and address disputes. The takeaway is simple: relying solely on lawyers can slow approval, while relying only on consultants may leave legal exposure unaddressed. The surprising truth is that companies combining licensing consultants with regulatory lawyers secure permits faster, reduce risk, and achieve cross-border expansion with confidence. Efficiency and legal protection go hand in hand in complex international projects.